Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method guys, repair the Windows system file. So click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then type this command, and after it will start percentage and it will restore your system file which is already corrupted. Okay, and when it is completed then try to second one. So second command is sfc scans less now and then hit enter. So same it is will start the percentage. Then reinstall the OneDrive. Okay, is minimize it, then click to start, type run, open it and type this command percentage system root backslash system32 backslash OneDrive.exe and then click to OK. Now it is getting ready for you. Okay, then click to start, then open new command cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then type chkdsk space c column space slash f and then hit enter. So after that it will ask yes or no. So this command will work when you restart your system. It will take 5 minutes to 5 minutes to start, because of it will scan full scan of your c drive, your system file. Okay, it some corrupted, then it will be restore it. Okay, and then you can close this and now it is already going this command, and wait few seconds to complete. Okay, and then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.